Hey there, food lovers! Welcome to another episode of Culinary Delights where we explore the magic of flavors and the joy of cooking. Get ready for a culinary adventure that'll tantalize your taste buds and have you saying, "Yummo!" Today we're going to create something truly special that combines the best of both worlds, sweet and savory. Today we're diving into a dish that's bursting with flavor and simplicity, Cranberry Thyme Chicken. This dish is a perfect blend of tender chicken, aromatic herbs, and a tangy cranberry sauce. This recipe is a delightful dance of sweet and savory, perfect for a cozy family dinner or a special occasion feast. Imagine gathering around the table with loved ones, sharing stories and laughter over a meal that's as comforting as it is delicious. Imagine juicy chicken seared to perfection and infused with the aromatic essence of thyme. The thyme adds a subtle earthiness that complements the sweetness of the cranberries beautifully. Now, picture a luscious cranberry sauce bursting with tart sweetness, blanketing the chicken in a symphony of flavor. The sauce not only adds a vibrant color, but also a depth of flavor that elevates the dish to a whole new level. This dish is not only visually stunning but also incredibly easy to whip up, making it a winner in my book. With just a few simple steps, you can create a meal that looks gourmet but is totally achievable at home. So, are you ready to put on your chef's hat and embark on this culinary journey with me? Whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen newbie, this recipe is sure to impress. Let's gather our ingredients and get cooking. From the fresh herbs to the juicy chicken and the tangy cranberries, every element plays a crucial role in creating this masterpiece. Let's get started and make some magic in the kitchen. Before we begin our cooking extravaganza, let's round up our culinary troops. It's time to gather everything we need to create a delicious masterpiece. For this recipe, you'll need a few simple ingredients that pack a flavorful punch. These ingredients are not only easy to find but also bring a burst of flavor to our dish. Don't worry, you won't need to raid a fancy gourmet store. Most of these items are probably already hanging out in your pantry. It's all about using what you have and making it work. First things first, you'll need about 4 boneless, skinless chicken breasts. These will be the foundation of our dish, providing a hearty and satisfying base. We're going for juicy and tender here, people. Cooking the chicken just right will ensure that every bite is succulent and flavorful. Next up, grab a tablespoon of olive oil. This will be our secret weapon for achieving that beautiful golden sear on our chicken, adding a rich and savory depth to the dish. This will be our secret weapon for achieving that beautiful golden sear on our chicken. The olive oil helps to lock in the moisture and flavor, making the chicken irresistibly delicious. Now for the stars of the show, cranberries and thyme. These ingredients will add a unique and refreshing twist to our dish, balancing the savory chicken with a hint of tartness and aromatic herbs. You'll need a cup of fresh cranberries. These little gems will burst with flavor as they cook, creating a delightful contrast to the savory chicken, and a handful of fresh thyme sprigs. Thyme adds a subtle earthiness that complements the cranberries perfectly, making our dish well-rounded and flavorful. And of course, no dish is complete without a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. These simple seasonings will enhance all the flavors, bringing everything together in harmony. See, I told you these ingredients were pantry staples. With just a few basic items, you can create something truly special and delicious. Let's get cooking. All right, culinary comrades, let's get cooking. Our first mission is to heat that trusty skillet over medium heat. While it's warming up, give those chicken breasts a good pat down with a paper towel. We want them nice and dry for optimal browning. Once the skillet is hot, drizzle in that olive oil and let it shimmer. Now carefully place those chicken breasts in the skillet. Listen for that satisfying sizzle. Sear each side for about 4 to 5 minutes or until they develop a beautiful golden brown crust. While the chicken is working its magic, let's prepare our cranberry thyme sauce. In a separate bowl, combine the fresh cranberries, thyme sprigs, salt, and pepper. Give it a good stir and set it aside. We'll be using this flavorful concoction in just a bit. Remember that heavenly aroma we were talking about? The one that makes your mouth water and your stomach rumble in anticipation? Well, get ready for it because we're about to infuse our kitchen with the intoxicating scent of cranberry and thyme. This combination is not just a feast for the nose, but a symphony of flavors waiting to dance on your palate. Carefully pour the cranberry thyme mixture over the seared chicken breasts. Make sure to coat each piece thoroughly so that every bite is bursting with flavor. Make sure those cranberries and thyme sprigs are evenly distributed. This ensures that every mouthful is a perfect blend of tart and earthy notes. Now, here comes the fun part. This is where the magic truly happens. Reduce the heat to low, cover the skillet, and let the flavors meld together for about 15 to 20 minutes. This slow cooking process allows the ingredients to marry, creating a depth of flavor that's simply irresistible. As the chicken simmers away, the cranberries will soften and release their tart sweetness, mingling with the earthy aroma of thyme. The result? A sauce that's rich, tangy, and savory all at once. A luscious sauce that's both tangy and savory, perfectly complementing the juicy chicken. It's a harmony of flavors that will make your taste buds sing. While the flavors are fusing, take a moment to savor the incredible aroma filling your kitchen. It's a sensory delight that adds to the anticipation of the meal. This dish is not only a treat for the taste buds, but also a sensory experience that'll have everyone eagerly anticipating dinner. The sight, the smell, and the taste all come together to create a memorable dining experience. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes from Cast Iron Stovetop. Happy cooking!